We were so excited to find this mini self-squeezing mop. It's a little sponge squeegee that you can use to clean up small messes around the house. What I love about it is its flexible but durable material hugs odd shapes to get into hard to reach places. And it can soak up spills fast and wring them out without getting your hands wet or dirty. Now take note because when it's dry, it's rock hard. So you always want to give this a little dunk in clean water before you start. Then squeeze it out, which is super easy. I personally like squeezing twice just to get every drop out. And the great thing is there's no soap necessary. You can just start wiping down your dusty and dirty surfaces. And just look at that shine. This handheld mop can tackle multiple surfaces, but what truly impressed me was just how effortlessly it rinses clean. The dirt just drops right off in the water. Once I saw that, I knew I needed to test something super messy. And just see for yourself, it not only wiped that in one swipe, but it also rinses off with plain tap water. Seriously, these make quick work of messy jobs. They pick up dust, dirt, and even ketchup like a champ. And they're fun to use too. These are great for keeping your office clean, wiping down gym equipment, washing doorways and windowsills, pretty much anywhere. I like using one in the kitchen and one in the living room. So if you like keeping your spaces tidy, head on down to PulseTV and stock up today.